Oh, James is videoing it.
Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh.
C'est pas tombé à l'eau.
Uh-oh. You gotta catch it, dude. Don't have two hands.
That's crazy, yeah.
Careful, yeah. Just careful, he's gonna maybe try and get it clean out, yeah. Straight forward, you know?
It's okay if I'm